So this is the code, the input for my first PHP. So as you can see, I put if the score is larger than or equal to 100, the grade is outstanding. If the score is larger than 89, the grade is A+. Larger than 79, the grade is A, and so on. And for some of them I put an extra note. And let's test this out with the output. So right now the score is 40. So if I change the score to something like 90, this is A+, which is shown over here. Since 90 is larger than 89, it should be A+. If I put 72, it should be B, which is shown here. And here's the table with the value, expected outcome, and actual outcome. And yeah.